Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to download Forge for Minecraft 1.19.2 and how to put mods in the mod folder. So what you're going to want to do first is to go into the description and click the link for the Forge downloader, and then you're going to want to click the download recommended, click the installer button, and once you're on this page, don't click anything else. All other install buttons will pop up. Don't click them though. You're going to want to wait for the countdown in the top right corner, and then once that pops up, click skip, and then choose where you want to install the thing to. You're going to install the installer to. So just choose anywhere. In this case, I already have it, so I'll just click cancel, but just save. And then once you're done with that, you can close out of this tab. So then, once you do that, you're going to want to go to wherever you put it in, whatever folder, and then double click that. And then the install client option will already be clicked. So when that's clicked, just click OK, and it will install. And just wait for it to install. It may take a little bit, but alright, then it's installed. You can just click OK, and it'll close out of that. And then what you're going to want to do is open up Minecraft. I already have it open, but when you open up Minecraft, you'll see Forge 1.19.2 is installed right there. And then to put mods in the mods folder for that, you're going to want to click Installations up on top, and then hover over the Forge installation, and then click the file icon. Once you're in there, you're going to look around until you see a file that says mods. Once you see the file that says mods, you're going to double click and open that, and then you can add any mod you want to put in for 1.19.2 in there, and then click play, and you should be good to go. Alright, that's all for the video.